data sheet's faded. It has a GE fan motor. And there's some more over there. Oh, it's an Intertherm. Never heard of that brand before. This one has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. The serial number and model number are faded. I guess these are probably around from the 2000s, maybe. Here's another one. Here's another one. And I think there's some more units on the other side of this place. Oh yeah, there's a Ruud and I think an Amana. Yep, here's a Ruud unit. It's a Ruud Achiever. (2004) 3.5 ton. Looks kind of small for a 3.5 ton. And yeah, here's an Amana. This one's got a sound blanket. I think it's from 2015 and it's a 3 ton. I think it's got a broad ocean fan motor. Nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.